What if your dog started pooping gold? Gold coins? Or even liquid gold? What if there were a magic solution that could collect all your dog's poop without any direct hand contact? Because in reality, your dog doesn't poop gold. Introducing Pick-a-Poo, a dog parent's dream. Pick-a-Poo is made up of two parts: a rounded clip of soft silicone cushions that secures comfortably around your dog's tail, and a durable disposable collection bag that hangs beneath. Place Pick-a-Poo on your dog's tail before you go out for a walk. And when he is ready to poop, all the droppings fall directly into the collection bag. When your dog is finished pooping, you just unclip the bag and throw it away, with no mess and no leakage. In the real world, dog poop is not gold. We love our dogs, but don't love cleaning up after them.
I grew up having dogs. I've always looked for a better and easier way to pick up after them, but the products in the market are just not good enough. For the past 2 years, my team and I have worked hard testing and redesigning and testing again to finally come up with the answer.
Every step of the process has been about making Pick-a-Poo something that real dog owners can actually use. We know that most dog owners want something they can intuitively use with only one hand, so we built that into Pick-a-Poo too. And it's even small enough to fit in your pocket.
We designed Pick-a-Poo so there never has to be contact between the poo and your hands, or even on the ground. Everything goes straight into the bag. And on those days after your dog ate something he shouldn't have, Pick-a-Poo can handle any bathroom situation, no matter what type of gold comes out. Most importantly, we wanted to make sure that Pick-a-Poo would be dog friendly. We've given the Pick-a-Poo to more than 100 dogs of different breeds and sizes, and the feedback has been incredible.
With your help, sharing this campaign with at least 5 friends, we're hoping to finally change the lives of all dog owners by making our walks easier, our streets cleaner, and our hands gold-free.
With Pick-a-Poo, you will never need to pick up dog poop again.
Brad Baxter, President of Automated Pet Care Products, designer of the litter robot. Well, the litter robot was designed over probably 16 years ago now, and it was a product designed around a need that I had with 2 of my cats. I was having a lot of difficulties getting them to use the litter box. I designed this litter box with the intent of essentially solving my problem. The litter chamber is a sphere, and it rotates such that the litter moves up along with the globe. As the globe rotates, there's a screen that comes around, and the screen then comes up through the litter, and any clumps that are formed in the litter are separated onto an inner wall. On the other side of the wall, the clean litter is captured and collected, where the clumps then fall through the waste ports into a drawer below. So the nice thing about the litter robot is that after each use, it's clean. So if you've got multiple cats, after one cat uses it, it's going to be clean for the next. The litter robot definitely manages odor. What it does is it essentially contains it, and we have a very large carbon filter that's in the waste drawer which absorbs the odor. Our customers tell us all the time that after they start using the litter robot, people come over to their house and say, well, we didn't even know you had cats. We have 3 versions of the litter robot. We have the classic version, the bubble version, and the Litter Robot 3 open air version. The classic version, that's the very first design that we came out with. The bubble version is really the same as the classic with a bubble shaped window on the back of it, which gives you more front to back space. Litter Robot 3 open air, it's got a lot of new features such as a night light, is a much larger globe, and has a much larger opening which faces upward. It's more ergonomically designed for the cat and how the cat would actually use the litter chamber. One of the great things about the litter robot is you don't have to purchase a lot of consumables. You don't have to purchase bags, trays, liners, chemicals, pellets, none of that. Really all you need is litter, clumping litter.
Today, I'm going to talk about my latest creation, an elegant pendant totally connected. This is Kim, my guinea pig. I've cloned him for security reasons. Don't look at me like that, it's for the sake of science. And this is Dorothy, the housekeeper. She is very concerned about Kim's well-being, perhaps a little too concerned. Don't panic, Dorothy. Kim is waterproof, and so is Canifit. With Canifit, Dorothy can check up on Kim's daily activities. All data is automatically synchronized with the application as soon as he comes into range. This means you can adapt the ideal amount of food according to the calories burned by your guinea pig. I mean your beloved pet. The results and statistics can be shared on the Canigat network with other users. Make sure your champion stays #1. I can see you, Kim. You're rubbish at hide and seek. Even the clones spotted you. Anyway, no more hide and seek with Canifit. The application automatically synchronizes with the pendant and locates the fugitive. I used the latest Bluetooth low-energy technology, which gives the battery an 8 months life. But you know what Dorothy is really fond of? That she can match Canifit with the colour of her purse. Oh, figure that one out. Your vet can also access your pet's profile and adapt treatments and food advice accordingly. Yes, I've also got one of my own. I just need to cut down on the 4-course menus, apparently. With Canifit, technology at the service of your pet's well-being, your pet never looked so healthy or stylish.